Hello friends, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare an Indo-Chinese recipe, chicken latpat, from my home style cooking recipes. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, it's a humble request. Please subscribe the channel Khushi's Kitchen. Let's start the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends and also welcome new friends too. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this special recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. To make chicken latpat recipe, here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken breast. Previously, I have washed all the chicken pieces well with water and kept them in a strainer to remove the excess water from the chicken pieces. Now I am taking all the chicken pieces in a marination bowl where I am adding some quantity of ginger garlic paste, some quantity of red chili powder, some quantity of Kashmiri red chili powder, some quantity of black pepper powder, salt to taste, and also MSG or Ajinomoto a little bit, and also a fresh lime juice. After adding all these ingredients, I am mixing all the ingredients with the chicken pieces well with the hand and keeping it for 45 minutes to 1 hour to marinate the chicken well. In the meanwhile, I have cutted carrot, capsicum, onion, spring onion, white part and green part too into very fine pieces, and chopping some quantity of ginger and garlic cloves too. Now I am taking a bowl where I am adding some quantity of red chili sauce, a little bit soya sauce, some quantity of Szechuan sauce, some quantity of vinegar, some quantity of tomato sauce, 1 pinch of red color which is totally optional, salt to taste and tasting salt too. By adding all the sauces, now I am mixing with it together with the help of a spoon. After 45 minutes, I am taking out the marinated chicken. Here now I am adding an egg and mix the egg with the marinated chicken well. Now I am taking a plate where I have added some quantity of corn flour, rice flour, salt to taste and red chili powder. By adding all this, I am mixing it once well with the hand. Now I am taking out 1 chicken piece from the marinated bowl and drop the extra by lifting it in this way. You can see it, and then roll it on corn flour and then dust the extra out. By following the same method, I have also coated the chicken for second time. First, dip it in the marinated egg batter and drop out the extra, and then again roll it to the corn flour and keep it in another plate. In this way, I have completed the whole. Now I am placing a wok on the gas oven. Switch on the gas on high flame. I am adding sufficient quantity of vegetable oil. Let the oil be heated. When the oil become heated, I am adding the chicken pieces one by one. I'm turning the gas into medium and fry it until it turns a little golden brown. Then remove the extra oil with the help of a strainer hurdle, and also place it in a rice strainer to remove any more excess oil. By following the same process, I have completed frying the whole chicken pieces. After 10 minutes, I am cutting the fried chicken pieces into small cubes or pieces. Now I am flashing the whole for the second time and again keeping it on the same strainer. Now I am placing a Chinese wok and add a little bit oil from the fried chicken oil. Let the oil be heated. When the oil becomes heated, I am adding some quantity of fine cutted carrots, capsicum, onions, white part of spring onions, some quantity of ginger and some quantity of garlic. After adding all the veggies and also the chopped ginger, garlic, I am frying it a little bit. Then adding the mixture sauce and also the chicken pakoras too. Toss the whole for 2 to 3 times and remove it from the flame on a plate. Following the same manner, I have completed the chicken latpat recipe. Well, for serving, I am taking a serving plate where I am pouring all the chicken latpat with a little gravy. Garnish it with a handful of green spring onion. Here we are done. Our tasty, delicious and yummy chicken latpat is ready to be served. Serve it hot as a starter, or you can serve this dish as on main course with fried rice. Best served with egg wrap fried rice or mixed fried rice too. If you like the dish, then do try it at least once at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. I am ending today's video for the time being with this prayer that all of you be stays well-being and will come back shortly with a new cooking recipe video. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.